Some tea is about to get spilled. So let's talk. Why am I like this, first of all? I don't know. I tried to film this video earlier today. It just didn't work out. To be fair, last couple weeks have been pretty hard for me. It's definitely taken my mental health down. I decided that I'm gonna keep filming YouTube videos because it kind of helps me cope with that. Hopefully this will be a great outlet for me. As you probably saw from the title, today we're gonna be catfishing on Zoom. If you're in school or you have any kind of class, your professors are probably using Zoom to teach all your lectures. Instead of getting up super duper early in the morning, you kind of get up at the last second and you just like watch the lecture with your sweatpants on. The first week, I actually got up early and did my makeup. I picked out these like really cool backgrounds. I had really good lighting, but now I don't do that. I just don't even turn my camera on because I don't want people knowing that I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. I look crusty. I'm wearing the exact same clothes from a week before. Like, just quarantine got me all messed up. Anyway, so yeah, I look hella dusty right now. It might be because I've been crying, but you'll never know. Wait, why do I look like... We're gonna start out with this Drunk Elephant moisturizer. I did not actually buy this, my friend gave it to me. I've heard it's like 60 bucks or something. I'm not able to afford stuff like this. Now we're gonna go in with this Master Primer by Maybelline. Oh my god, I think I did way too much. Oh well, this does not feel good. It's okay, we gotta cover up all those pores. Nobody knows you have skin problems, which are caused by pain and other problems. Nobody needs to know that you have problems in your life. So we're gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Oh my god, that was a mouthful. And I'm starting to run out. Like, I love this. This is a really good foundation. It has to be one of my favorites. I forgot to wet this sponge. Do I want to get up and wet the sponge in the bathroom halfway across the house? Not really. I can already hear all of you unsubscribing and leaving this video because I'm committing a makeup crime right now. What's been really nice about this quarantine though, I will say, is that it's given me time to really reflect. And I know that sounds stupid because literally every person on the internet is saying that right now. I deleted social media recently, everything except for TikTok and YouTube, because I use it as my outlet to watch videos. Oh my god, am I running out? Oh my god, no. I got foundation all over my table, so that's fun. What's new in your life? Next, we're gonna use...
I completely f***ed up the words here,
I don't know
LMFAO.
what that says. Go on right under my eye, up to here. I just finished concealing, I guess, and now we're gonna have to go back and blend it out. So I'm gonna let that like sit for a second, and I'm gonna do my brows real quick. Some of you might know my brows have gone through a lot of changes. Gotta let them sit for a second. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna set the foundation. I'm gonna use the Fit Me. I use shade 15, but I also use the second one for highlighting. I use 05 shade.
Why are we going so fast, nigga? Yeah, what?
Okay, so I did a thing. We're gonna skip the highlighting. We're actually going to bake. Wait. I said it all wrong. Next, we're gonna contour. It's gonna be a little bit extreme because it has to show up on camera. I'm gonna use two different things. Physician's Formula, and I hit pan like a long ass time ago. Old ass contour palette that I got from Ulta like 4 years ago. Colors are nice to get the job done.
Bruh.
Because we're trying to go dark, but not like insane dark.
Yahoo!
It's still gonna turn out insane. Okay. You know what? It's okay. It's not too bad. It's fine. We're doing okay. So I was looking at my channel and I saw my first video again. Oh my god, my makeup routine has changed so much. Like, I thought at the time my makeup was I was Oh, I'm so good. I haven't taken good care of my skin at all. I didn't even moisturize. I used old makeup remover wipes to wipe my face.
Hey, that's gross! Like, what are you doing? That is wrong!
This is the moment where I realized why I wasn't getting any views. This is why I've been bullied since starting YouTube. I'm about to yeet myself off a cliff now, thanks.
Next, we're gonna do nose contour. I've been trying to figure out how to do nose contour recently. My nose looks snatched, but it does look weird in real life. So I don't know, I just...
No.
I'm trying to blend it out a little bit so the lines don't look as harsh. It looks okay. I'm just gonna go in and use the same color and just pack down some color on the lid. And yes, I do realize I'm doing this makeup completely out of order, but does it look like I care? We're going to bake now. So we're just gonna bake under the eyes. Eye bags, never heard of them. Might actually be a little too light for my skin, but that's okay. I'm gonna go back in and cut my non-existent jawline using number 15 again. Hey, that wasn't bad. Okay, time to draw the brows. What am I doing? The color not even at all. One is like really lifted and the other one's just like, hello. I think we're done with baking now. Okay, we're gonna do a little basic shadow look. This is the Real Her Shadow Palette. Do your squats. Why is it called Do Your Squats? I have no f***ing clue. I don't see any booty or squats. Oh my lord, no. I really have to pee. Okay, pee break. 11 midnight snack. I actually don't know what time it is. Hey Alexa, what time is it? It's 12:02 a.m. Yo, I was 2 minutes off. We're gonna do liner. I am not doing this on camera, but I will be right back. Very simple. A little winged moment right here. We're gonna do lashes. I have these crusty ones. Or just from AliExpress, and they're super big and fluffy, but I'm not gonna keep them for like 2 months. So I'm stuck with these. I am a bit of a lash addict. Until quarantine hit, I wore lashes at least 50% of the week. We're gonna be using a new pair today. And I got my glue. These lashes are very, very subtle. I'm gonna take Maybelline Gray Lash Mascara and blend my real lashes in with the fake ones, as well as do the lower lashes.
No! God, please, no!
We're gonna use the highlighter, Confidence in My Glow. I actually love this highlighter. The final step is this e.l.f. setting spray. I don't want to say the full name. It's a tongue twister. Here you go, kids. Here is the final look. Now we look slightly less trashy and ready to catfish some men or women, whatever you're into. Let's go.
So of course my dumbass screen recorded this whole clip without any audio, so I look like an idiot talking to nothing. Why the f am I still doing this? Oh well, whatever. How to catfish your crush on Zoom. 1. Make sure your touch-up appearance switch is on. It'll smooth out your skin and make it look like you've been getting your full 8 hours of sleep, even though we all know you haven't. 2. Have a simple green screen background. Yes, this might look stupid, but trust me, it's funny. Bonus points for using a rare meme like Walter here. The key to a man's heart is through his laugh. 3. Good lighting. Or whatever. Don't take my advice seriously, because for all you know I could be a Russian spy just trying to steal your information.
Anyways, that's it for that video. Did I just spend like 2 hours doing my makeup just so I could take it right off? Maybe. Thank you for watching me attempt to do this makeup look and also test out Zoom and just play around with backgrounds and eat grapes. Have a great day, stay safe during this quarantine, make good choices, and I will catch you guys soon.